Hi guys, my name is Princess Vogue and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this simple Ankara dress. It's really simple. Let's get into it. So the first we're going to be needing is our Ankara fabrics. We're going to be needing our pattern, our brand paper for pattern drafting. So the next thing is we're going to be cutting out the front and the back piece. The width of the back is going to be 2.5, while the depth is going to be 1 inch. Then the front will be 2.5 on the both side, the width and the depth. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to place the front piece and the back piece together, then draft out the style, the V side, the style on the chest part. So it depends on you how low you want it to be. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to cut out the back, the down part. Then when we paint, we're gonna iron it all the way down because we want the plenty to be all through all over the body. Then the next thing we're gonna be doing is to cut out the lining for the front part. So after that, we're gonna be sewing our lining, our fabrics together and give it a good ironing. The next thing, we're gonna join the front and the back piece together. Okay guys, watch out for the part 2 of our video recording. Thank you.